Cash App identity verification fails when the information you enter does not match official records, or when the system cannot confirm your documents in real time. By the end, you'll know why Cash App identity verification fails, what each error means, and the exact steps that usually fix it. Start with the main reason. Most verification failures come from mismatched personal information. That includes your name, date of birth, or address not matching what your bank or ID provider has on file. Now explain what that means. Even small differences like abbreviations or spelling variations can cause Cash App to reject verification. Now explain another major cause. Blurry or unclear ID photos are another common reason. Cash App needs to clearly read your document details to approve verification. Now explain what often goes wrong here. Poor lighting, cropped images, or expired documents can all lead to automatic failure. Now explain a system issue. Sometimes verification fails due to system delays or high verification volume. That means your submission is still processing but not confirmed yet. Now, explain the first fix step. Open Cash App and go back to the verification screen. Carefully re-enter your full legal name exactly as it appears on your ID. Now explain the second fix step. Retake your ID photos in good lighting. Make sure all four corners of the document are visible, and nothing is cut off. Now explain the third fix step. Double-check your date of birth and address before submitting again. Consistency across all fields is critical. Now explain the fourth fix step. If your ID is expired or damaged, you need a valid government-issued replacement before retrying. Now explain what not to do. Do not submit repeated random attempts without fixing the actual issue. That can slow down approval or trigger additional review delays. Now explain when to wait. If everything is correct, Cash App may still take time to manually review your verification. Now summarize the core idea. Cash App identity verification usually fails due to mismatched information, unclear documents, or outdated IDs. Most fixes involve correcting details and resubmitting clean document photos. And in some cases, the system simply needs time to complete manual review. One practical next step. Start by comparing your Cash App profile details with your ID exactly character by character before you try again. If this helped, like the video, and subscribe for more simple Cash App troubleshooting guides without confusion.